Hello, Darin Martineau from Master Magic Shop, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my exciting new project, what I call the Ambitious Card Project. And this is $29.99, and you get 16 files. You get 15 instructional magic videos and one ebook. The ebook is my Ambitious Card ebook, which has sleights, double lift substitutes, utility sleights. It has many rare sleights. It has many advanced new techniques. It has ambitious card routines, ambitious card finales, a signed card in fortune cookie, a new signed card to sock. It has 3 methods of my vicious ambitious and much more. Okay, the videos, you get 15 instructional videos. Now what these are is these are about 10 routines on the ambitious card plus extra card sleights as well. What makes this very special is I have a brand new uh, routine I call the new ultimate visual ambitious card routine. And if you click on the video, you'll see part of that, but what it doesn't show, I'm going to make another performance video, which is the latest one because I'm constantly upgrading my magic. But this one, which I call Queen Rising, is one I've been doing for years, but I've recently come up with even more visual way to do this. This is the most visual ambitious card um, routine there is. Now, I have, like I said, about 10 plus with the extra moves. It could be more. You can create your own routine with the ambitious card. I have also the card to mouth, also my Six Senses card routine. Now, the Sixth Sense card routine is based on uh, the multiple card selection routine, which is a classic. What I've done with it is it has the six senses, which are the sense of sight, sound, taste, uh, smell, touch, and the ESP, which is extrasensory perception, which you can do a card to envelope or a card in wallet. You can do it signed. I give you many ideas plus my finales within the book. So there's actually more than a dozen routines altogether. There's 10 on the video plus the extra moves. And then there's another routine in the book plus the extra sleights. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's over 15 routines altogether. There's 16 files in this download that you're going to get. Very, very exciting, okay, about this. The new Ultimate Visual Ambitious Card Routine is included, which I explained over a 2-part video series in that one alone. So I'm very excited. Click on the link and upgrade your magic now. Thank you very much. Keep it surreal.